honorable, respected Consul General and respected guest. My name is Naeem Pasha. I'm presenting from one of the Pakistani association here and presenting as well one platform Chisel, trade union of Italian trade union, and they have one project about it in Pakistan as well. I just want to say something about on the behalf of my Pakistani community. This is it's huge disaster in Pakistan. Not for yet, I think so. I must say it's a disaster for a future, not for persons, for agriculture, for education, for infrastructure. It's a huge disaster. We are doing best because we are in Pakistan is in Italy. It's about 200,000 persons. We are doing on behalf. We are doing because we know we are the ambassador of Pakistan. We have a double responsibility because we represent Italy and Pakistan, both countries. And we are our mission is to motivate for awareness of this disaster for the persons. What is the real situation in Pakistan? Because after some months the winter is coming, and many people are homeless, just on the streets. They don't have food now. Now it's a very big disaster. But we saw after some months we have a more disaster. That's why we need support, some assistance for them, not for support, and the long-term basis things from the international community as well. So we ask all of you to because it's a very big crisis for Pakistan. We need an international community to resolve this national disaster, because it's not a short term. We have really our future in a disaster, and we are doing on as a community level, and our Chisel trade union already in active in northern areas. We have already some projects in the northern area, and we are doing there as well. And thanks so much for your coming and your. I think so we can do all together. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Il centro di Milano io ho visto, ho fatto faccio un po' di magari come facciamo da marcia per la pace per nascere facciamo noi anche per dare una possibilità a tutte le regioni magari in modo adesso data devo fissare, però forse fino a ottobre. Per il Maulud? No, perché in Italia ci fanno diversi all'estero, noi decidiamo, così non facciamo troppo. Alcuni che fanno a Milano, alcuni in Brescia. In Brescia è grande, anche noi facciamo 50.000. Adesso voi a Brescia per il Maulud siamo sempre arrivati. Sì, quando abbiamo visto 10 noi in provincia arrivare circa 4.000 pakistani, la maggior parte che vivono in ok, certo, molto piacere. 11:30 बजे मीटिंग
तो
है।
अभी तक आप लोगों का कोई काम स्टार्ट
हमने जी बिल्कुल एक्टिव कर दिया नौशहरा में चीज़ल के बिहार पे, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट था चीज़ल का, तो वहाँ पर स्टार्ट हमने कम कर दिया। तो बाकी कल आके आपसे डिटेल, क्योंकि हमारे पास प्लान भी है कुछ, उसके अलावा वैसे पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी डायस्पोरा पे प्रोजेक्ट है चीज़ल का, वो ऑलरेडी है, चल रहा है यहाँ पे, तो उस पर भी इंशाल्लाह डिस्कस है।
ठीक है, इंशाल्लाह।
और बाकी ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी मैं थैंक्स करूँगा कौंसल जनरल साहब का कि ये जो आज एक्सरसाइज की गई है, क्योंकि आज की सबसे बड़ी ज़रूरत जो सी है वो यही है कि हम अवेयरनेस दें लोकल कम्युनिटी को और अपनी भी कम्युनिटी को कि एक्चुअल डिज़ास्टर क्या है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ
लोगों की मदद कितनी ज़्यादा काम करती है ज़रूरी है
और कैसे करनी है और क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है।
इस सिलसिले में सफारतखाने से आप बिल्कुल कोई चीज़ चाहिए या कोई मालूमात लेनी है तो आप हमसे किसी भी वक्त आप लोग ले सकते हैं, कोई भी आप जो है वो राब्ता
और मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कौंसल जनरल साहिबा को कि इस एक्सरसाइज को जारी रखा जाए,
इंशाल्लाह।
और अगर कम्युनिटी या किसी तरह के भी सेमिनार्स होते हैं तो आप भी प्रेजेंस जो सी बहुत ज़रूरी है, ताकि हम लोगों को बेहतर तौर पर कम्युनिकेट करें।
इंशाल्लाह।
थैंक यू।
पाकिस्तान